33 with some big turbos. Yeah, that is a big turbo. Bugger, that is lovely. I bet that produces some really big power, and from the sounds of it, definitely so. 600 plus, Jesus. It's got top secret little touches on it. We've got top secret there. We've got top secret there. Yeah, this is really cool. Whoa, is that the exhaust? That is the exhaust. Oh, wow. Wow. The exhaust comes out the front. It's got an APR performance as well. Wait, so you got 2 exhausts. That's really cool. Yeah, you got the 2. You got the one at the front and you got the one at the rear. And you got SpongeBob down there. You've got colour-coded wheels. You've got struts there. Oh, that's a cool interior. Let's have a look. That's really cool.